Moving ahead, the Delhi High Court has recognized a mistake in the 2023 Delhi Judicial Service preliminary examination answer key, but refrained from granting relief to the petitioner in this case due to the principle of judicial discipline. The case centered on the question which pertained to Section 20 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. The section stipulates that a contract is void if both parties are under a mutual mistake of fact. The petitioner selected false in response to the statement that such a contract is voidable at the option of either party. However, the official answer key marked this response as incorrect. A division bench comprising Justices C. Harishankar and Ajay Digpal acknowledged the petitioner's argument, noting that Section 20 indeed renders such contracts void and not voidable. Despite this, the bench emphasized the importance of judicial discipline and consistency in legal decisions. They referred to a prior ruling in Shobin Bali versus Registrar General of Delhi High Court, where a similar challenge was dismissed. In that case, the court held that minor errors in the answer key do not warrant altering the entire examination process. The principle of judicial discipline, let me tell you, means that courts strive for consistency in their decisions. Since a coordinate bench had previously ruled against granting relief in a similar situation, the current bench followed that precedent.